world's first truly collaborative robot and heralded a new era where people and robots safely and productively worked side by side without barriers. Collaborative robots are adept at adding flexibility to assembly processes that need to make small lots of highly individualized products in short cycles. By combining people's unique ability to adapt to change with robots' tireless endurance for precise, repetitive tasks, it is possible to automate the assembly of many types of products on the same line. Now ABB is adding a new member to the YuMi family. The smallest and most agile collaborative robot yet, making it easier than ever to put into production. The new single-arm YuMi has the same award-winning design features as the dual-arm YuMi, including the same speed and precision, and the same safety features like soft padded arms and no pinch points. YuMi's compact and lightweight design, under 10 kilos, and support for ceiling, table, and wall mounting enables rapid installation and deployment with minimal interruption to operations. The entire YuMi family is designed to be easy to set up and use, thanks to its intuitive leap-through programming. That means that even people without specialized training or prior experience can successfully use robots. The single-arm YuMi can easily add collaborative assembly to existing production lines, which almost any person can learn to operate for applications such as pick and place and small parts material handling. The new single-arm YuMi also opens up a world of flexible possibilities. For example, a single arm and a dual-arm YuMi could be combined to add a parts feed or inspection stations to an assembly cell. You can create a nearly limitless combination of axes to fit any need in any space. ABB's growing family of YuMi robots is part of a suite of exciting collaborative automation solutions that help people and robots safely work closer together than ever before possible. Ease of use, greater flexibility, endless possibilities. Let's write the future together.
Anywhere, anytime, hassle-free. A robot that collaborates with everyone. Collaborative robot Kobotta. Do you need an extra hand? Do you want to leave simple tasks to a robot and make more time for creative work? Kobotta can respond to such needs. Kobotta has 4 key features. The first feature is safety design. As a robot collaborating with human, Kobotta pursues human-friendly. Kobotta has secured safety from the aspects of both inherent safety and functional safety. Kobotta has rounded contours with no sharp edges. Its unique arm structure prevents users' hands from getting caught. Sensors that are built into the 6 moving parts constantly monitor speed and torque. So you can rest assured to use Kobotta. The second feature is the portable body. Kobotta only weighs approximately 4 kilograms, providing easy portability. It has a small body perfect for desktop work, yet offers a load capacity of 500 grams. The integrated controller reduces wiring, and since Orion is supported as the standard, consolidated control with other devices centered on Kobotta is possible. Customers can establish an automated system that meets their needs. You can start work quickly whenever and wherever you want. The third feature is easy to use. It's amazingly easy to start up Kobotta. You can start using Kobotta 10 minutes after taking it to the place you want to use it. Kobotta is equipped with a direct teaching function for teaching motions of the robot by directly moving its arm, and an intuitive GUI for easy operation. These make the operation of Kobotta easier and more enjoyable. Also, by mounting an optional camera, teaching using the camera is possible. The fourth feature is its professional-grade open platform. Kobotta can be controlled from a PC using Java, Ruby and other programming languages. Easily interfaced with various devices and applications, it has high extensibility that meets professional demands. Also, an OSS type without OS is offered. Since the integrated controller is open and Kobotta's control API is made public, creators can develop their own applications in whichever environment they prefer. Kobotta has an infinite range of possibilities with a small body. At plants that are short-handed due to a sudden increase in production, for example, Kobotta serves as a helping hand. In the pharmaceutical and medical field, Kobotta can accurately perform dispensing work and other repetitive work that's necessary for drug development. In the field of education, Kobotta can be used in programming classes and for various other applications. A new form of collaboration between human and robots now begins. Collaborative robot Kobotta.
In the last 5 years, DOBOT has sold over 40,000 robots, connecting over 200,000 users in over 100 countries. Now, we want to achieve our dream to universalize industrial-grade robots just like Apple did with personal computers in the 1980s. Introducing DOBOT MG400, a desktop collaborative robot, affordable, accessible, safe, and extendable. Costing just 1/3 of a typical industrial robot, the MG400 seeks to democratize access to robotic applications for small and large businesses alike. It can automate manufacturing processes like loading and unloading, dispensing, inspection, and fulfill repetitive tasks at laboratories, even serve up ice cream from a food truck. The MG400 practices simplicity, taking up a footprint smaller than a piece of A4 paper. The MGM400 can blend into any work environment. It offers 3 ways to program: teach and playback, graphical programming, and Lua script, helping users with different levels of programming experience handle applications of various complexities. Teaching the MG400 to move is as easy as moving your own hand. Adopting a dynamic gravity compensation algorithm, first-time users can effortlessly and precisely move the robot wherever they like and set up a task in minutes. The MG400 is designed to work alongside people. With state-of-the-art collision detection technology, it will stop immediately when it touches an obstacle. The MG400 delivers industrial-grade precision and speed. A repeatability of 0.05 millimeters comes within the thickness of a single human hair. Featuring a maximum payload of 750 grams and a 440 millimeter reach, the MG400 can handle most day-to-day desktop applications. With TrueMotion, our self-developed speed planning and dynamic control algorithm, the MG400 produces accurate trajectory at stable speeds, excelling in tasks like dispensing. And the MG400 is highly extendable by both software and hardware. With the help of grippers and a vision system, users can create an endless variety of applications. We are committed to providing people with innovative solutions to boost productivity and stay ahead in rising competition. DOBOT MG400 is the pioneer of desktop robots, substantially improving accessibility and affordability. Join us now and bring more possibilities to life.
For more than 85 years, Omron has helped perfect the art of building machines that help humans. Now, we introduce a machine specifically built to work with people. Meet the Omron TM Collaborative Robot Series. This is a robot designed with a singular vision, human and machine, working together in perfect harmony. A robot so versatile, it adapts to any number of tasks. Guided by a state-of-the-art robot vision system designed to recognize a reference point, the robot can be moved and perform its tasks with no additional setup. This robot also collaborates with other machines, performing a wide range of applications relevant to almost any industrial environment. From machine tending to pick and place to screw driving. This is a robot governed by intuitive software that allows you to easily customize functions. No coding knowledge required. Simply drag and drop a pre-programmed application from the plug-and-play library to set up your robot. And it's ready to help you right out of the box, wherever you may need it. And coming soon, an integration with Omron's industry-leading mobile robots will allow autonomous repositioning for any task in your factory. The versatile, safe, and mobile Omron TM Industrial Collaborative Robot. Human and machine in perfect harmony.